So I am here for a pre-trial conference at Franklin District Court. We're going to see how they respect my right to record.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good. Really?
Wrap this up here real quick.
I'm going to have you up and
What is that?
talk to you.
It's a charging cord,
Oh, that's right.
camera.
What's it for? Are you recording right now?
I don't answer questions.
I'm just asking a question.
I know.
I'm just asking if you're recording.
I know.
So are you recording?
Does it matter?
Yeah, I'm just asking you a question. What's the big
Is that illegal?
No, I'm just not. I'm just asking if you're recording.
Okay. Are you recording?
Do you believe I'm recording?
I see cameras everywhere.
But I'm not recording.
You're part of the recording,
I
yes.
am? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, take it off and put it down, please. Here's one for you. Anything else in your pockets? What are you here for today?
Court. Pre-trial conference.
Huh?
Pre-trial conference?
What time?
8:30. The clerk, this way?
Clerk is at the window.
Thank you.
Oh, you wouldn't answer the question.
You can't record anything. Without permission.
Whose permission?
Without the permission of the court. You
Okay.
can go talk to the clerk,
Sure,
but
sure.
until that time, it'll be turned off.
Thanks. Sorry about that.
Did you understand that, sir?
I understand. I've done this 1,000 times.
All right. You can do it 10,000 times, and I'm going to still tell you the same.
And I've never been arrested for recording in court because it can't be denied, so don't even go down that road. So if you want to be the one to try to arrest me, it's not even enforceable. There's no law, there's no crime.
Supreme Court order.
I know,
I
and-
am under a Supreme Court order to not allow you to record.
And I've been to the Supreme Court, and I've done it there. And they called, they did the emergency.
Again, you can ask my
So
clerk.
you're causing a disturbance. Please leave me alone.
This is my job to do.
Your job is to cause a disturbance of people here attending court?
My job is to enforce what I'm told to enforce.
And my job is to enforce the laws and the Constitution and my rights. Okay? You're not going to trample on my rights.
All right, so you're the individual that was throwing the trash on the street.
Yeah, I was throwing trash down the street while I was driving. That must be me because yeah, that's cute. Real cute. Yeah. Still recording. And you can't do nothing. And neither can he. Yes, sir.
Oh, how are you? I'm Deputy Wolf. I'm here for your case today.
All right, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So I actually have, trying to get these filed.
So it sounds like you have some stuff of disagreement with this. So you're gonna set it up for a trial then?
I do want
Let's
to,
make it quick and simple then.
for a trial, yeah.
We'll talk to the clerk, we'll set it up for a trial, we'll get you out of here.
All right.
How's that?
Is that okay? Accept that?
Are you giving this to us, or are you gonna?
I'm going to file one with the court as well, but I have to give you a copy.
Yeah, okay, great, I appreciate that.
It's-
So
I didn't
we'll
sign
go
it.
up to the window, and is there anything else you wanna talk about? Or you wanna give me a second to look this over?
Yeah, if you want to look that over and tell me what you think, I mean, I think the charge should be dismissed.
All right,
but-
well, I'll look it over and I'll let you know, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. At least you did it in a big size writing, so I don't need my readers on.
Yeah, yeah.
Can she read? This is a, DV and Saudi.
Domestic violence.
I mean, there's a lot of RSAs there, but you might
All
want.
fairly cited on your end. There's nothing I can do on that point. I'm just here to.
So there's going to be a prosecutor as well, or are you the prosecutor?
I'm the prosecutor
Okay.
today, but Sergeant John will be the prosecutor when this gets set up for trial.
And that was the guy who pulled me over.
No, that guy will be there as well, but I
Okay.
believe there was another guy with him, wasn't there?
In the car?
No, they had two separate cars.
Maybe. I can't remember.
So Sergeant John is my supervisor, but he's the court prosecutor official one. When he's not available, I come. So, because this is a pretrial, I'm handling it.
Okay.
So I will I'll let you do what you need to do with the court. If in the meantime the court dismisses before we even go, then we won't go, right?
Okay.
If not, we'll hear this the day of the court hearing. Sergeant John will present his side of things. You'll be allowed to speak further, and then we'll see what the judge has to say if it gets that far. I won't be here for that one,
Right,
but Deputy Moss, who wrote the ticket, will be, and Sergeant John, like I said, is the prosecutor. I know it's a little confusing. His first name,
Yeah,
his
yeah.
last name's John. Well, like me, my name's Richard Walter, so it seems.
At least his name's not John.
So I'll let you submit this. I will go up with you, tell them that you're going to plead not guilty, so they should be able to they're either going to mail your court date or give you a date today in hand. So, and then we'll get you out of here for your Friday.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Okay. All right. No problem.
Appreciate you,
Come
sir.
on up.
Send them all to you.
Good morning. I'm not bad. I just spoke with this gentleman right here. He's going to plead not guilty, so we need to set it up for a trial.
All right.
And
He
so,
has something to submit to the court as well, I believe.
Okay.
and so, how do the other one? Can I just give him a copy to bring
I
to
don't know what you mean.
this motion to dismiss? Sorry.
Oh, yeah, motion to dismiss. You could file and you give a copy to the state.
All right. I just need to put the case number here. 437.
All right, thank you.
And then I need to give a copy to.
Yeah, I'll take it to
You
the
take it.
state.
Okay, thanks. Let me sign it for you. 43720.
Perfect, sir.
Excellent.
very
Thank
much.
you.
Let me see if I find out what the court date is. They're going to mail it. I don't know. Are you mailing the court dates out? Yep. Okay, perfect.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take it easy. Have a good one. See ya. So, clearly I've not been here yet. Not sure if anybody else has been here yet. But people keep asking, how do you do it? How do you do it? And there are signs up there that say no recording. But yeah, we'll go back and we'll show you just so you guys can see. Oh, why don't you show me the signs? So, but you heard this guy, right, claiming it's a rule. It's a court rule. Court rule has no force of law except in the courtroom. Okay, so they can't just do a blanket, no photographs, no videos, no recording, as it says here, per orders of the Supreme Court. Of course, there's no docket number, there's no rule number, there's no nothing. So there's nothing official about this fake New Hampshire Supreme Court order that they put out there to the public to abrogate your right to record in public. So that's how you do it. You research the rules that they're trying to impose, because he don't even know what it is. But and then if there's no law, there's no crime, and if there's no crime, there's no penalty. And so those are just them asking, and it's not a permission slip. You guys saw in my other video there, it's not a permission slip. It is a notice form, and the Supreme Court order says that it cannot be denied. It shall be granted, is what it says. Shall be granted. So I will not comply. Live free or die. Death is not the worst of evils. Absolute defiance. We'll be coming back here if this case doesn't get dismissed to go through a trial on the registration stuff. So thank you guys. That's it. Just a quick update.